So these are your website. Any particular link, how will be promoting for your particular website to your LinkedIn company page. The LinkedIn page, company page, any profile information, how to share your profile option. A lot of people asking one question, sir, I can create company page, everything is fine. So how increase the followers? How to increase the LinkedIn company page followers? What is the benefit that? So here, first of all, how to post on LinkedIn company page, how to share your profile, how to increase your LinkedIn company page followers. First of all, you can select one photograph here. That is your based on your option. You can selecting for your photograph here. Now they come into the home page. What are the options are here? We can add by the particular option and copy the URL. Okay. Now this is option. After that, we have to using for particular hashtags. What you have to provide that we can putting for hashtags here. So here, complete ad will be post and it's here. Keep it on notepad. Save this what you are posting here. After this one, what are the post your content? Here the option will be called copy link to post. Copy link to post. That copy link to why? Because they not give the share option. They not give the share option. Go to LinkedIn. Here we'll be selecting for option will be here. Copy link. And what are the content you can sharing here? Automate sharing for in this option will be here. Click for post. How it is a posting for your option will be here. Now this is a post. Here people will be does not follow. Suppose we can go to refresh here. People does not follow your profile option. They follow your option will be here. So right now I'm on showing you will be here. Just how you can showing for other profile option will be here. The showing will be like this. So profile person, they're promoting company page along with information. This is mean by we can check for your complete post and activity option. In this, what are the activities done? Here will be show for. That is, what are the content you can sharing for company page to profile. The main reason is called to increase the company page followers. To increase the company page followers. There will be benefit call to increase the company page followers and people come into your website by click for link. By click for link also. Now, if you're promoting video, select it. So what are the video will be there? Upload it. Add the video title. So video is uploaded. I don't write anything option here. Okay. I'm don't writing anything the particular video. So just I'm uploading on the particular my company page option. So here, just we have to click for refresh option. So I did not post any option in the particular video. I had to promote this. Click, copy to your link. Same, where you can go for it. Profile option. Here two benefits are there. We can anytime we can promoting for profile option. Profile with the LinkedIn also will be there and Twitter also will be there. Here, paste it. What are the video is there? Everything is copy. Now click for post. Again, we can sharing for LinkedIn and your Twitter also. They're showing for two options. Why I'm posting, I'm selecting for anyone plus Twitter also. So this option will be there. So what I'm done by post, we check by here. Now click. The video will play for where? Twitter option. So this concept will be designed by the in a particular option. We have to share by the in this Twitter also. When people will be click, they go to where? In the particular option will be given by the profile to people increase by the LinkedIn company page followers. So what are the content you're posting on your company page? Automatically we can sharing by profile. They increase by the number of viewers. Not only video, not only for any files. So this all option will be given on the particular LinkedIn option. So follow instructions and promote it and increase our views. In the particular video, increase your company page followers option. Don't forget to put the hashtag option in the page to profile or page option. You can sharing profile to Twitter. Profile to Twitter is possible. Profile to you can sharing for your connection is possible and group possible. But when you're sharing for any page, only copy link to post to share by the profile. You can share anywhere. To profile will be increase the your page followers option. And guys, for the any request need for the assistant for the any LinkedIn regarding questions, please ask me my YouTube channel Digital Rakesh. Please, what are the required is important in a LinkedIn. I'll make the videos and upload it. You can discuss with me always. I will be there by the social media. My channels are there here. What are the question you want? I'll clarify your doubts. Please subscribe our channel. To need any questions, please comment me. I'll make the video upload by the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.